Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio to GoHighlevel. This integration allows you to use Twilio's powerful SMS and voice capabilities directly within your GoHighlevel workflows, making it easier to manage client communications all in one place. First, open your browser and navigate to the GoHighlevel login page, enter your credentials, and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can access all your agency tools and settings. Now, if you manage multiple agencies or sub-accounts, you'll need to make sure you're logged in as the agency manager account. Look at the top of your screen for the agency account switcher. This tool allows you to toggle between different accounts, so click on it and select your main agency manager account. This step is important because the Twilio integration needs to be set up from the agency level to work properly across all your sub-accounts. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your GoHighlevel workspace. Click on the option labeled App Marketplace. This is where you'll find all available integrations and tools that can enhance your GoHighlevel experience. Once you're in the App Marketplace, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Twilio and hit Enter. You'll see several results populate on your screen. Look through these carefully and find the one specifically named Twilio, then click on it to open the integration page. You'll now be directed to the Twilio overview page. Take a moment to read through the descriptions provided. You'll see details about pricing, the app category, the current app version, and other relevant information. Scroll down to see more specifics about what this integration offers and how it functions within GoHighlevel. Once you've reviewed everything and feel ready to proceed, click on the Install button. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. This menu asks you to select which account or sub-account you want Twilio to be installed on. This gives you control over where the integration is active, whether that's across your entire agency or just specific client accounts. Make your selection carefully, then click on Continue to finalize the installation. And that's it. You've successfully connected Twilio to GoHighlevel, opening up new possibilities for automated messaging and voice communications within your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.